Look at question 20. It says, for each graph, select all symmetries that apply. So for first graph, it is symmetric with origin. Second graph is symmetric with x, y, and origin. And third graph is symmetric with x-axis. Question is, how do you determine it? Okay, to determine, symmetric means is like a mirror. Like if you consider, look at this circle. If you folded the piece of paper about the x-axis on here, you see the above the x-axis and bottom of the x-axis, below the x-axis, these two parts are identical. If you fold it, so it looks like identical. Same thing here. If you fold it above the x-axis, on the above the x-axis and below the x-axis, both are identical. So this is called the symmetry. So to determine the any graph is symmetric with x-axis, y-axis, or origin, here is some definition. You can remember that. You can write symmetry with respect to x-axis if xy equals to x negative y, y-axis if xy negative xy, and origin if xy plane is the same, so the negative x and negative y, negative x, negative y. So if I consider this circle, look at this circle is symmetric with x-axis, y-axis, and the origin. So why this x-axis? If we consider any point here, look at this point. If we consider this point is x, y, on here you get the same point, but y is negative, x, negative y. So which follows this x-axis. Now, so it is symmetric with x-axis. Similarly, if you consider this point, and that point. So look at this. This is xy. Here the same point with negative x, y. So in that case, it is symmetric with y-axis. Now, if I consider the line passes through the origin, this, so this point and that point will be the same point. Here is the negative x, negative y. Okay, this is how it changes. So this circle is symmetry with respect to x, y, and origin. In that case, this is just symmetry with origin. Why the origin? Look at the right part. This right part, if you move this right part or rotate this right part with 180 degree, it will overlap with this. Okay? Or if you move this part or rotate this part to 180 degree, it will be overlapped with this part. So that's why this is the symmetry with respect to origin. Okay, so this is how you're going to determine it. Hope it's a help. Now you can determine this one. So it would be symmetry with x-axis, because of, if we consider any point here, here is the same, or the y is negative. It would be with respect to y-axis. If you consider any 2 points, let's say here and there, or here and there, is negative, positive xy is going to give you negative xy. And it is also origin. If you consider any point, any line passes through the origin, it will be identical. Both part would be identical if you rotate with 180 degree. And this one with respect to origin. And this one you get, you see, if you fold it about the y-axis, this two part is the identical. Okay, or you can consider any two. If you consider this is this point is x negative y, and that would be the just opposite. It would be the negative x same y. Okay, so that is with respect to y. This is how you can determine it. All right. Thank you.